A warm welcome to all. Good morning, children. So, today we can move on to another new important chapter in that module, that is genetic disorders. Okay, in our surroundings, in our world, there are so many people suffering from so many diseases. We can categorize them into genetic and some other, that is inherited diseases, and diseases due to many contagious organisms spreading. This is spreading through organisms or maybe of environmental impact, etc. Based on that, so many diseases are observed in our surroundings. So, genetic disorders are usually very rare, and you already studied some genetic disorders in your UG classes. This year also we have to study some very important genetic disorders that's happening all around the world. So, one by one we can discuss. So, all these genetic disorders are actually due to some changes in the gene or chromosome, maybe some aberrations, numerical or structural, whatever it may. So, altogether we call it as mutations. So, gene mutations they may be either inherited from a parent or acquired. So, both conditions are there. So, usually mutation is a mistake that is present in the DNA of virtually DNA of all body cells, that is present by mistake. So, some may be corrected by the DNA repairing mechanism. So, some may be corrected, but some may be transferred. So, hereditary mutations are also called germline mutations because the gene change exists in reproductive cells and can be passed from generation after generation. This is very important. Okay. So, prior to newborn, these changes can be done. You maybe heard about mutations happened in coronaviruses. Mutant varieties are now available. And a mutation happened due to endosulfan exposure, and that's transferred in the new parents. So, the victims of Nagasaki, that Hiroshima Nagasaki bomb blast, many are suffering due to. So, so many chemical, so many internal some changes that may cause in the gene. So, that may be transferred to the next generation. So, when it transferring, that is severe. Generation after generation it will transfer. So, a hereditary mutation is a mistake that is present in the DNA of all body cells. Okay. So, mutations occur all time in every cell in the body. But what happens is, the ability to recognize mistakes and fix them before it is transferring to next generation. And it happens in every cell. Every cell this process is going on. So, the property of a cell to heal the mistakes or to recognize the mistake and heal the problem and fix the problem before passing into descendants. If it is happening, that's good. Otherwise, what happens? If that mechanism fails, it becomes less efficient, and over time mistakes can accumulate and it will transfer to next generation. So, such mistakes we are going to discuss. Okay. So, first important one is Down syndrome. You studied in your lower classes what is Down syndrome. Okay, Down syndrome, and also you know the basics of chromosomal aberrations, structural and numerical aberrations. That is deletion, duplication, inversion, translocation. And also you studied the numerical aberrations like ploidy, aneuploidy and euploidy. Okay, then different types, etc. You know what are monosomics, trisomics, nullisomics, etc. You may study. So, all these are actually the causes for these types of genetic disorders. So, today I am going to discuss with you two important genetic disorders. First one is Down syndrome. Down syndrome is caused by disjunction in the 21st chromosome. This is actually happening a problem in the 21st chromosome. So, individual is trisomic. What is trisomy? One extra chromosome is observed. So, this extra chromosome is in the 21st chromosome. Okay. So, approximately one person, one individual from 100 birth. One individual having Down syndrome from 100 birth. Okay. One out of 100,000. 1 out of 1,000 is affected with Down syndrome. That's its proportion. Then Down syndrome is trisomy 21. So, this is a karyotype. You know what is karyotype? Arranged that based on the size. And you can see the 21st chromosome having 3 3 chromosome, one is extra added, that is trisomy. You studied it. Okay, that is our normal chromosome number is 46. So here it is 47. So one is extra, that is the 21st chromosome, 2n plus 1, that is trisomy. Okay, so trisomy is plus 21, that is 2n plus 1 in 27, 2n plus 1 you know 47. The frequency is increases with increasing maternal age. The frequency of trisomy 21 is 94%. Then one important event, namely Robertsonian translocation, that happens in 21st chromosome. That is also a cause for Down syndrome. Okay, translocation. Then trisomy 21 mosaicism is also another cause. So 3 causes are there. One is the normal trisomy, then translocation, Robertsonian translocation, and mosaicism. You can see this with this illustration. Usually a female with the egg with the 23 chromosome, male sperm with the 23 chromosome, fusion take place, that is fertilization. What happens is 92 chromosome. This is the zygote. Clear? Then what happens is it undergo mitosis division. See, and mitotic division, so many sorry, this is wrong. Cell divides, chromosome double, then cell divides. Yes, it doubles, then divides. What happens is 92, then a replication take place, then meiosis take place. So what happens is 46 will get. Then again normal cell division. The normal cell division continuing means embryo divides mitotically, 92 normal cell division that continues. Again the second line, again 46 plus 46, again this process is going on, fusion take place continuing. So what happens here is uniform distribution happens, but some cases if what happens, this is 46 is distributing. Here when if it happens like this 45 47, what happens is 47 45. So that change, proportion changes. This is a non-disjunction in mitosis. Cell does not split evenly, uniformly not split. Cells with the 21 continues. Clear? So this is the abnormal division, abnormal mitotic division, not equal division. So one having 47 chromosome, other having 45 chromosomes in a one cell. So what happens is this continuing. See, so this will undergo fusion in the fertilization. See, and another two important causes is, one is Robertsonian translocation, father and mother. Balanced Robertsonian translocation means 2 chromosomes involved in the translocation. One is chromosome number 14, another one is chromosome number 21. Okay. So in the 21, what happens is a portion of the chromosome number 14 get fixed into the 21 and a portion of 21 fixed into 14. This is happening, a mutual exchange, that is translocation, one place to another place. So if it is not a balanced one, the size is not equal or not a balanced one, this will happen. Okay. So an inherited Robertsonian translocation resulted. This is the condition. So trisomy 21, this is a 14 chromosome, this is a 21 pair attached in this 14 chromosome. See, and this is a balanced Robertsonian fusion. You cannot say it is a balanced condition, 14 and 21 here, again 14 and 21. See, while gamete formation, only one part left in the 21. See, this is the condition of extra 2n plus 1 is formed here, 2n plus 1. See, so 2n plus 1 is this 21st chromosome. So balanced Robertsonian, this is a monosomy and this is the trisomy. Okay, addition, extra chromosome added, here one chromosome lost, this result in the Down syndrome. So 46 XY, 45 XX. Okay, this is 45 XX, 14 on the half, 21st and 14 chromosome, that is translocated one, that is represented like this. Okay. So this is happening in usual cases, 21st and 14 chromosome in exchange taking place, and if exchange is not balanced, it results in Down syndrome. Okay, a pedigree in which mother is phenotypically a normal, a balanced carrier. Okay, due to Robertsonian translocation, mother is a balanced carrier. She transmits the translocation chromosome and a normal chromosome. She transmits a translocated and a normal chromosome to her son. Okay, so she inherits a normal chromosome, the 21st from his father, and a translocated one. Okay, 3 copies of chromosome 21 is in the son. Son causes Down syndrome. Chromosome 21 in the son causes Down syndrome. So this is the translocation happening here, balanced translocation. See, a portion of chromosome A, chromosome B just present, a portion fixed here, this portion fixed here. That is exchange taking place, translocation. So trisomy 21, 92 to 94% is mainly due to non-disjunction during fertilization. Fertilization time, one having a more number of chromosome, other having less number of chromosome. That's one thing happened. 4% is by mosaicism. That is mosaicism, error in the cell division after fertilization. And 4% is due to translocation of chromosome 21, breaking and attaching to other chromosome 40 during cell division. This is the chromosome 21 break and attaches to other chromosome. That is another reason. So symptoms of Down syndrome is mainly, these are the symptoms that we can observe suddenly when looking into a Down syndrome affected patient. Upward slant to eyes, small ears, flattened nose, small mouth, short neck, etc. and short fingers. Then low muscle tone, deep crease across the palm, small skin fold, etc. And also a mental retardation, that is there in every genetic disorders. So at a glance you can see what are the symptoms showing by the Down syndrome affected kid. You can see digestive system, heart, lungs, all part, mouth, all parts are affected, fingers, everything. Clinical features, what a doctor observe, head and neck, that is brachycephaly, shape of the skull shorter than the other species, skull shape shorter. Then folded or dysplastic ears, protruding tongue, short neck, etc. Then extremities, when it become more that severe, or what happens is short fifth finger very short, then space between first and second toe, and then flexibility of joints, incurved fifth finger. These are all some and also you can see the tongue protruding out usually, mouth opening usually, the location of eyes, everything you can see. Then in the neonatal features, the newborn babies, what happens is flat facial profile, dysplasia, excessive skin at the nape of neck, then hypotonia, etc. Then infantile reflux is present in all infants at 4 age. Sudden loss of support, that is the infant reflux, sudden loss of support, spreading out the arms, unspreading the arms, etc. Crying usually. Hypostonia means a state of low muscle tone. Okay. Then dysplasia, enlargement of an organ or tissue by proliferation. Mental retardation. Almost all affected Down syndrome affected babies are mental retardation. So mildly to moderately retarded, first word usually at 18 months only, and so many other problems. Then heart disease also a common symptoms. Growth also, reduced growth rate, weight loss, etc. Eye problem, most eye problems include refractive errors, cataract, etc. Hearing loss, another important problem. Then hematologic, that blood related issues, especially leukemia, cancer chances are high. Then transient leukemia, newborn babies are affected. Endocrine disorders, hormone imbalance, hypothyroidism, diabetes, etc. are observed in these affected people. The reproductive rate, that is most cases women with the Down syndrome are fertile and may become pregnant, but male is usually infertile. Diagnosis is prenatal screening. When in the mother's womb, you can diagnose it. Okay, confirmed by karyotype analysis. So that's all about Down syndrome. So Down syndrome is 21st trisomy. You have to just study what is Down syndrome, what is its genetics, how it is happening, what are the symptoms, etc. Okay. Now next one is Klinefelter syndrome. That's also a very common syndrome. Usually chromosome number is XXY, 47XXY. See, 47XXY. It is occur due to non-disjunction of X chromosome. The first cases you see that is 21st chromosome, autosomy. Here it is X chromosome, that is X chromosome non-disjunction is happening. The sperm containing both X and Y combined with egg containing X result in male child. Okay, sperm containing X and Y. Okay, egg containing X result in male child. And the egg may contribute extra X chromosome. So what happens? See, XXY. XY and male X chromosome and one more X chromosome from female. So XXY is the result. So an extra chromosome, X chromosome. So male with some development. So what happens is an extra, it's actually a male, you know, XY is there, but one more extra X chromosome is there. But what happens is, you can see it's a male, you know, Y chromosome, but male with the development of breast tissue, female character, little body hair is present, small testis. So female characters are more. Infertility because of absence of sperms, then mental retardation. So these are the some important features. You can see the person affected, frontal baldness absent, this hair style, then few chest hairs, breast development, small testicular size, poor head growth, like features. And how this is happening: parental and paternal non-disjunction, primary spermatocyte XY non-disjunction. That what happens is XY move to one set, other set blank. Okay, and what happens is here XY coming together one set. Then during the formations, that is spermatozoa. Then in the case of ovum, what happens is X, one female ovum. Then what happens is XY, it fuses. The result is XXY. This is the condition. So non-disjunction of the chromosome. That is a condition happening. In one 0 blank, otherwise other case XXY continuously moving. Then maternal, what happens is XX secondary oocyte. What happens is non-disjunction. One is first polar body. This is N. XX moving into one. Disjunction happening. What happens is XX. Then again second polar body. This XX fused with Y. What happens is XXY. This is another chance. Then maternal non-disjunction, what happens is XX splitting into X, ovum XX, second polar body. So non-disjunction here happens. It never moves. Then by fusing with the sperm, you will get XXY. So in both conditions, it will be causing. One is from female, that's non-disjunction. That from male, non-disjunction. So language symptoms are there. Learn to talk late, trouble expressing in thoughts and needs and everything. Then male with these symptoms having testosterone therapy. Okay. Then as a baby, child and teen, what happens is sit up, crawl and walk later than other infants. Okay. So everything late, and language problems also there. As an adult, look into similar males but often taller, and health problems are there. Breast cancer will be there, diseases will be there, everything. So this is the lady Caroline Cossey. She changed her lifestyle by a surgery. He became a famous model and underwent sex reassignment surgery. Okay. So he is affected by this Klinefelter syndrome. Okay. So that's all about the Klinefelter syndrome. So you have to study, okay, to compare this both. Here it is actually an XX anomaly. See, X chromosomes, then Y chromosomes, and together XXY is the anomaly here. See, so these two genetic disorders study well. That symptoms, genetic why this is happening, and what is the karyotype extra. Okay, so that's all for today's class about a Klinefelter and a Down syndrome. So have a nice day. Thank you.